Good Rockstars family, welcome back to another banger. So yeah guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far. And yeah guys, sorry for the previous videos being uploaded, but I had trouble uploading them of the E30 due to some copyright issues from certain audio tracks. So I had to get them removed or that sorted. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the E30 video. Now we're going to Chappie. So for now, I'll explain it as soon as we get to Kalo. So for now, gonna go get a trailer, take the trailer straight to Kalo. From there we'll explain what will happen and where we're taking Chappie. So yeah guys, hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share on this video. And yeah guys, you know when you say comment, interact with us down below, man. But yeah guys, stay tuned for the latest stuff. Enjoy the ride with me. Some of you are wondering, oh, you guys are always on the road, but yeah, it's the life of the projects, man. Show cars ain't no joke. But yeah, peace. Sup Rockstars family, update. So I got the trailer. As you can see that I got the trailer. So the reason why I didn't film getting the trailer, it's because running on a tight schedule and I had to do everything quick. So I'm currently now on the highway going to Kalo. So yeah, enjoy the drive with me guys. Stay tuned for the latest stuff and keep watching for the updates. And actually keep watching till the end. Hope you enjoy it. And yeah, enjoy the drive guys. So guys, arrived at Tower Cozy. So now we're gonna go get the thing we must put on a trailer. So then Yadin will explain from there what we'll be doing, what's gonna happening and where we go. So just put the trailer properly. Yeah. Trailer to me? This is not a spilly game. But yeah, sorts. What's up guys, update. So as you can see, we have something in the trailer, so we're not gonna reveal it until it's actually done, but we might as well just see where we're going. So we're going to Team Nerdo all the way in Alberton. We're going to them in order to have this thing installed. So drop down in the comment below what you'll think we're gonna be putting on Chappie. And yeah, let's see whoever gets this right guys. So we're currently on our way now. I'm driving in Chappie, Carlos driving in the Honda with the trailer. I don't know, he says he wanna try automatic. So yeah, I don't mind, I like driving any car. So my Chappie is my favorite though. But yeah, so yeah, we're just on our way now. We're gonna throw some gasol in Chappie, some juice, and then we're gonna hit the highway. So yeah guys, so yeah, stay tuned for the latest stuff. We sorted guys, so we're throwing petrol now. So then we're gonna hit the highway straight to Alberton, where Team Nerdo is situated. So yeah guys, enjoy the drive with us. And yeah, for those who are wondering where's Kalo, Kalo's on the other side of the garage with the trailer. So as soon as we arrive at Team Nerdo, we will be taking over. Shop guys. So yeah guys, we had a small issue The blankets almost fired off the trailer. But yeah, now we're going now. Shop. Those of you that still don't know, come on guys, drop down in the comment below and what y'all think we will be doing on Chappie now. Come on guys, we're going to Team Nerdo, so you'll have to know. So yeah. Flew. Okay, guys, we're almost there. I think we're about 5 minutes away. We just took a break. So yeah, we'll be eating around again. Stop. See you soon. So yeah guys, I'm gonna stop at the side of the road to take a quick break. Yeah. Shop. Update guys, so we arrived at Team Nerdo workshop. Yeah, Carlos is pulling me with a tail quickly. So yeah, shot guys. This one is for opening it, and this one is for the gas. Oh, there's the M3 bucket sitting. Competition.
the one that makes your ears pop. That video. You must actually send him that video that we took.
Yeah.
Almost killed my legs.
Yeah, I never even saw that one. Boss.
This one is running the thick one sunroof now, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Saying actor. And I hope it.
You need this.
You don't try to say like those too much. Yeah, you follow man.
What is that? Well, what was wrong?
The gearbox is fucked up.
Is it? I never saw inside. Sky one.
This one is Alcantara. Dashboard. That's nice.
Is it Alcantara or sweet?
So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So yeah, those, like I said again, drop down in the comment below what you think we'll be doing at Team Nerdo for Chappie. So yeah, so that's the end of it guys. If you guessed it right, then we'll just have a reveal in about a week or two. But for now, we'll be pushing the E30 and see how far we can get. Still have to do the dashboard and everything else and put on the wheels, and yeah, so then we'll see how we're gonna get far there. But yeah guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. And yeah guys, stay tuned for the lekker stuff. I'm out.